Hi guys, this is Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about mock API and how to create our mock resources, that is like users and nodes, and how to create that schemas. This was requested by one of my subscriber, so I am doing this video so that it will be very useful for everyone how to create mock API, and they can test their own resources and schemas, and they can create their own APIs. And here we have some limitations as well. I'll show you what is the limitations. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Let me quickly jump into the browser, and here we have something called as MockAPI.io. So by default you should go into MockAPI.io, and what it will ask is it will ask for the login. So whenever you click on login and click on sign in, okay, so you can see some emails, whatever the email you have. I am logging in with Techshareskk YouTube, and now I don't have projects. That's why it is showing no projects yet. So for example, if you want to create a project, let me click on new project, and I can create something called as Techshareskk, and I can give any of the API prefix. So my API prefix is /API/ Techshareskk. So this is my API prefix. So all the APIs will be starting with this particular prefix. Let me click on create. Now you got a project called as Techshareskk, and if you go inside the project, you can see here you have some ID mockapi.io /API/Techshare/endpoint. This is my endpoint that can be created by using new resource. Let me click on new resource. Here you can give the resource name. However, we gave the users and nodes. So for example, I'll show you what I have created. I have created users. So here users is my resource name, and the fields whatever you want you can add over here, whatever the fields you want. For example, I'll create one of the resource name. For example, I want to go with a gallery, and I want to know what is the gallery ID, created at, name, and avatar, that is an image. If you want to add some other things like name or file name, and it should be something like a string, so let me select a string. That's it. So you can create n number of fields over here. For example, I want to give file type, and this is also a string example. I gave string, and I want to give sequence number, for example. So let me go with a number, and you can give a number. After creating all the schema, just click on create. So it will be creating a gallery, and if you want to generate the test data also, it will automatically generate. When you go here and just you can see the number over here, 24, 25, 36, like that you are seeing the number. If you click on that, it automatically creates the data for us. I'll show you that as well. Let me click on this. It has created 39 records. Let me click on data. You can see all the 39 records. And how to test this? Let's go and test it. Let me go here. This is my HTTP link. So let me copy all the link, that is the prefix, still prefix, and this is my project code. And now what I'll do is I'll go with an endpoint. What is my endpoint? Gallery. So /gallery and hit enter. You can see all the response same whatever we have in this data. So we are able to access this particular data, and it is a public URL, so anyone can use this URL unless you delete that project. In the same way, you can add only 2 resources, and from third resource you will be payable. So for example, let me go here, click on this. It will ask for the payment. Here you are adding one more project. So you have reached the projects or resource limit for a free plan, resource limit. So what is the resource limit? Actually speaking, whenever you are adding a resource, you can add only 2 resources for free. If you want to add more resources and you want more features, then you have to go for a paid version. Let me click on this. This is my paid version. Paid version also contains custom responses and collaborations. For example, I and my friend started using it, and I can collaborate with my friend. And this is $5 per month, and if you want to go with a $35, it will be per year. And here you can see resources will be 50, projects can be 20. That means 20 projects you can create. So that's how you can create your mock APIs, and this is only for mocking purpose. Please do not use this for real-time projects, because here the logical stuff will not be handled. Everything should be handled from our front end, however we did in our user management project. So hope this gives you a glance about mock API and how to use it. And also we have something called as reset all. Let me click on reset all. It will go to 0. So that's it. If you like my explanation, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.